your instruction for this morning. Before we start our discussion, let us pray first, a short silent prayer. Today, our discussion focuses all about case study methodology. However, by far the majority of research paper in the CMC field are still usually based on survey research through electronic comprehension and or interview data, like example, Phillips 1990, Phillips and Priest 1987, Ryan 1992, with a growing interest in new developing fields such as CMC. Ang mga past study conduct sin mga researcher, pag study sin CMC, user nila is or kamamuhan user nila is survey iban interview. However, ang mga bago studyhin ng sin mga researcher, gi-expand, gihanapan pa nila in mga method user nila instead na survey iban interview lang. Liamod nila na in case study iban ethnographic methodology. Iban sin duwang pa qualitative approaches like mga observation para mas bahagan pa nila in online learning. Hambog example, amo na in study gi-conduct hi Cross 2002. Study hi Cross, nagusal siya Salmon model para kagitaan or kaingatan in kagbidaan sin learning experience sin mga student. Napaun out hi Cross, study niya, kapasalan sin iba-iba in learning experience or situation sin mga student, di daw maiyan na successful in online learning. Kasi, yung kaiwanan, mawasagin signal, mawasagin wifi, tapos yung kaiwanan ni Sab, may na in signal, may na in wifi, maghang pa in phone. That's the end of our